It is technically possible to trade in any amount of currency you want in foreign exchange, but to simplify the process, the standard lot size was developed, which makes things faster and simpler. So one lot of an FX currency pair is equal to 100,000 of the first named base currency. This can then be further divided into mini and micro lots, as the below table shows. You can trade 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 or 150,000, just so long as it's in multiples of 1,000. Each 1,000 is referred to as a micro lot. Of course, the actual value of a lot can vary depending on the currency pair being traded, as the following example shows. If a trader placed an order to buy 10 lots of dollar-yen, then he would be buying $1 million and selling the equivalent amount of Japanese yen.